Good morning, guys.
Friday,
guys. Friday morning.
Yeah, but we don't want to get
What?
Look at this, Mama. Piano, play.
Yeah, what do you want to play? Say hi first.
Hi.
Hi. Tahimik today. Ano na naman tayo, guys. Mag-ayos na naman tayo ng buhok ni Bunso. At what color do you want?
Pink. I'm wearing pink.
Pink?
No, purple. Purple and pink.
Pink again?
Pink and purple.
Pink and purple.
So I'm
Ano na lang?
going to put the cream of purple.
Oh, red na lang, red.
No.
This time is red. What color?
Pink and purple.
Then give me pink then. Where is it? Is it pink?
Yeah.
It's red.
No, it's ruby pink.
Ruby pink.
Yeah. Ruby pink.
Ruby pink daw yun. What time is it ka, Belle?
7.
Hindi na, kahit hindi na pantay. Okay?
Ah.
Lagi namang hindi pantay. Kailangan natin ano? Kasi magtutok ka pa, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi pwede yung ano. Magtutok pa kami. Kaya where is it pink? This one? Pero hindi ako sigurado na pink to. Red pink?
Ruby pink.
Ruby pink. May mas alam pang kulay. Ruby pink pala ito.
Ruby pink is like, Mama, ruby pink is like a little bit red in the
Parang
pink.
malaking tali ang ginamit natin. Supposed to be yung small one lang. Okay, next time na.
I don't want to be banana on a tree.
Why? Banana is.
I don't want to be banana on a tree.
You look like a banana right now.
Yeah.
Kasi ginamit natin yung ano, dapat the one na tali. The small one, this one is a lot of ano. See? Ikot-ikot. Then, what we gonna do next? Ganyan. Parang ano, para ka ng pigtail, oh. Hindi. Ano ba yan? Tali natin to lahat.
You're using all my hair. It looks like I'm bald now.
Ganda yan. Bold na daw siya, guys.
Look at this, guys.
I-braid natin sana, kaso wala na tayong time.
Look at
Okay na yan. Next time na lang natin i-braid. Then give me 2. I need 2. So
I
you
want
can...
two purple.
This one.
I want
No.
purple.
This one all red na. No. This time, Mama.
Ta-da, ta-da.
Pick the color.
Mama, look at
Did you
them.
pick the
They're
color
in
or
the
me?
toilet doing a hula hoop. Hula hoop, yeah. Hula hoop, yeah. Hula hoop, yeah. Tita pita.
Yan.
Tita pita. Tita
Para,
pita.
pag kahit maglagay siya ng tukli, hindi siya magulo ang buhok.
No more.
Okay, done.
Like this.
Okay, talikod.
No
Pagkita,
picture, no
there. Ganito lang, guys. Oh. There.
Mama, no picture, no picture.
No picture. Ayaw na daw niya mag-picture. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Happy Friday, everyone. Bye.